Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make fenugreek hair sprays for much hair growth and a mega length retention for shining, and this can be used in treating bald spots. Yes, we all know the medicinal properties of fenugreek, and as in as spices, we've been using this for centuries. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So what I have here is my fenugreek seeds. Yes, this is how my fenugreek seeds like, and I'm going to need a bowl, and I'm going to need a measuring spoon. So I'm going ahead to scoop 2 spoons of fenugreek seeds. Yes. Then I'm going ahead to add just a few water. Little amount of it to it. Cover it in an airtight container overnight. Alright, so I'm going to leave this for the night, and in the morning we continue with the video. Alright guys, so it's early morning and my fenugreek seeds has been soaked overnight. Yes, we're going to proceed with hair spritz for major hair growth retention. So I'm going to need a strainer and a funnel. As you can see, soaking 2 spoons full of fenugreek. That's what I have, so much, so yeah. So I'm going ahead, that's what we have. You can use this as a rinse out, a leave-in conditioner, and also a spray in your hair. This will prevent dandruff, promote hair growth, and also increase your sebum for much growth and length retention. So now I'm going to need aloe vera. I have my aloe vera water here. Yes, I'll leave the link down in the description box below. So if you want to learn how to do aloe vera, then you learn from it. So I'm going ahead to use the strainer and the funnel, then I'll transfer this into it. Now this is what we have here. You apply this whenever you want to moisturize your hair. Make sure you keep it in the fridge to prolong the shelf life of it. After that, then you apply your oil mix. I'll also leave the link down in the description box below, and then you're free to go. Within the next few days, you see some difference with the fenugreek and the aloe. If you don't have the aloe vera juice, don't worry, or you don't have the aloe vera plant, don't worry, you can still use the spritz alone for your hair. Alright, so we've come to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and also to share to your friends. Thanks for watching.